I'm trying to find this balance of when do I need to have a contract in place versus when is it more leaning on that human to human connection, right? So are there specific situations where it's like, Mark, after hours entrepreneurs, action takers, you need to have a contract for this. Otherwise you're going to fall off the bridge. Anything that you can think of that we need to be like, this is when we need to have an attorney involved type of deal?
Well, it's two answers. There's the legal one. There are certain contracts that must be in writing to be enforceable.
Sure.
For example, if we want to talk about selling some property right now, the oral agreement's not going to be enough. This is a legal answer. But in terms of the business considerations, a lot of times it's not a should. It would be great if you had a contract. If you don't, plenty of businesses operate without them. But the real goal of the contract, I like to think of it as a shield to protect the parties engaged in whatever it is the contract is meant to protect around. And it is a living document that evolves over time as the business grows, as you learn, this didn't work, I don't want this type of client, these types of complaints come in. Then if you're working with lawyers who know what they're doing, they're going to update it. And you're not only going to think about updating the document, you're going to think about on the operational side, how do I have this conversation? Does it look like a better glide path, different videos, different onboarding for my clients or my team or whoever it is? So it's not so much a contracts we should have. Ideally, the ethos is as you're protecting your relationships, whatever they are, employment, client, assets that you have, you would want to do that with a valid written document. This is kind of like top shelf gold standard.
Yeah.
But a lot of times you don't have to have a contract. Like there's not a law saying if you didn't have a sales contract, then you failed. Really, the goal is to just think through, I call it the evil eye review, all the things that could go wrong, spell that out in the contract so that if and when a dispute arises, you can handle it knowing exactly what to do because the contract set it out. So it can be dangerous to, let's say, just rip a contract off of Google or, you don't otherwise know what you're doing. And then you're like, oh, well, I'm good because I got a contract. Well, then the reverse is true for you because if you don't know what it says, if you don't even know how to determine if it's legally valid, I have a 3-part test for that, then that's not helping you even though you have it. So it's not like a box to be checked. It's more a holistic analysis, both law and business operations combined.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.